What up, YouTube? I'm here to show you guys my EDC. This is what I carry every day, no matter what. And these two pens I switch out whether I'm in school or at work. It depends. Let's start off here with the coolest item I think I got. My titanium pocket tool. Really awesome little pocket tool. Carry it everywhere. Very handy. Very badass. This little nifty little flashlight, copper, it's pretty awesome as well, by Jet Beam. If you guys want to see anything, let me know in the description. I'll try and leave a link to them. This is my Olight S10R2. Comes with a little cool magnet stand over here to charge it up. Yeah. If you guys want to see anything particular, over here too. Watch. That's my little carrying pouch. Okay, we got a cool little electric Zippo deal. Yeah. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. This is my EDC. I got a Leatherman Wingman. Yeah, this is very nice. Very sharp. A Boker bolt action pen with my micarta handle. Very cool. You can use as a tactical pen. What else? This is a pencil. Kind of hard doing it one hand. But yeah, that goes right there, and then you can just use it as a handle. Very cool. My ZTO 808. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Very awesome little light, Olight S10R Baton 2. Very awesome. Alright guys, let me know.